Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our new store. This is Sandy, the CEO from Jcsporline, and she is my colleague, Ruby.
Hello, this is Ruby from Jcsporline. Nice to see you.
Today, we will be together to show our products and our production line and also the installation of the car parts. Yes. Okay. First, I will introduce the Tarkan. Yeah, the carbon fiber Tarkan body parts. Yeah, made in carbon material, pre-prep, dry carbon. Okay, and this is our new car. And we make the design through the CNC and then do the special style based on the market taste. So I will show how to install the carbon body kits from Jcsporline in several minutes. Okay. Car parts, yes. Okay. First, I will introduce this car is an electronic Porsche Taycan, and it's very popular. And also, we have different styles. First, I will show the front lip in pre-packed dry carbon for you. This is the pre-packed dry carbon and made from the autoclave. The shape you say, and we made the design the first beginning with the market taste, and also we have different styles, and we just install this style today. And you see the material, the weaving, the carbon fiber weaving, and also the double-sided tape. Yep. And you can see the surface finish is polished, high polished with the UV clear coat. So even in the high temperature, such as the 40 degree and 50 degree, and there is no difference, of the color, even several years later. Yes. Okay. Let's check the fitment of our front lip. Okay. Usually, there is a different installation way for the carbon parts. For example, the spoiler. And the spoiler, and we will use the double-sided tape, and then with the screws, with the double-sided tape, and to fit together. And because this is a new car, and this time I will just show you the roughly reference of the installation. So we were going to use the screw accessories fit on the car. We just use the double-sided tape, and to show you the reference. And you can have a general idea of the Jcsporline fitment. If you are interested in these car parts, and then you can contact with us online. Also, if you have the special requirement for the customized parts, and also you can do the send us your design and your idea, and then we can make the customized order for you. Yes. Okay. Yes, and you can say from this side, and it's perfect fitment. Yeah, it's perfect fitment because we made all the customized parts and all the carbon parts with the CNC machine and with the special mold. Yes, so even made several pieces or hundred sets of the parts, and the mold will not disform, and so we can make sure that all the carbon parts in the consistent. Yes, in the consistent. I'm not sure whether it's very clear for you or not. And you can see that from this side, and the shine is very shiny, and the T-wheel, the carbon weaving, and it's straight. Yes, it's marvelous. Also, if you have some special requirement, such as painting on the edge, or you have the special requirement for the carbon material, such as the forged carbon, or such as the play weaving as well, and also can be available for us. Our mission is that to turn your concept into reality, and we help the car builders, car designers, and the brand company, and to make their concept into the reality. So, okay, I think it's ready. Yeah, it's okay. Let's test the side sketch. Okay, let's test the side sketch now. Oh yeah, from here, and then we see the last side. Yeah, we check it. Okay, so we can check the side sketch. This is the side sketch. Yes, the same material as the front lip, and also with the prepared dry carbon. Also, if you need the cheaper price or you have the different budget for the project, and you can choose the wet carbon as well. The wet carbon is made from the vacuum, yes, the vacuum technical process. And you can see that the surface, yeah, shining, yeah, 100% shining. And also, screws, it's strong screws, and also the double-sided tape as well. Also, it's the same as the front lip. We have the different ways to installation. Usually, and we use the screws inside, and also the double-sided tape as well together. But today, we also just show the tape. Yes, we don't use the screws and to dig the holes on the car. And you can just see the installation way and also have a general idea of the Jcsporline's installation way. Okay. 那边是吧? Oh, from here. Okay, the double-sided. We can test from this side first. Jcsporline made the carbon production more than 10 years, and so we ran into a lot of the difficulties and the painful points of the carbon composite material products, such as the fitment, such as the quality, such as the bulk order, the capacity. So during the 15 years, we already solved all the painful points for the carbon tiny parts. So, and you can say our guys, they are very professional, and we can promise that if you find us to do the customized parts, and then we can make sure that the installation will be very perfect, and then we can just lead 10 minutes to install the body case, without the screws. If with the screws, we just lead 20 to 30 minutes to install the full set. Yes. And you can see the two guys, and they do the installation, and it seems that it's very easy. Yes. And you can see the different angles with the tape together. If you have any questions, and you can share your points with us, and if you have any suggestions, and you can show us your comments as well. Oh, very good. And new friends come here. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you for your comments. Yeah, thank you for entering our live stream. Yeah, okay. We show another side. From here, we can have the clear view, yes, of the final installation, and it's a gorgeous job. And you can see the weaving and the carbon, the elements, and it's very clear, transparent. Okay, we change another side to see the another side of the side gas. And now the guys made the installation. Whether you have some questions for us? Oh, Muhammad. Thanks. Thank you very much. Thank you. Mm-hmm. And it's working time, yes, is Europe. Here is the European country working time now, and also the Middle East clients, Russia clients. Yeah, and you see that we just need 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes can make the installation. And I just told you that there is a lot of the painful points for the installation of the carbon parts, because for the recently years, and a lot of the suppliers, and they can just do the copy from the sample, and they couldn't make sure that the sample do not deform. And so if we use the high technical skills to making the production of the mold, such as the scan the car to get the real data, and then we use the CNC machine for making the mold, and then we use the autoclave for the production, so we can guarantee that the full process to make sure the good fitment. Yes. Okay, and another side is ready in 2 minutes. Now let's turn to the trunk spoiler. Okay, trunk spoiler. This is the Takan trunk spoiler, the big size, and like the trunk from the far side. Yes, and also this is just 1.5 kilo. Yes, so it's very super light. And also the Takan is a super car, so it's really the high quality, and also the it requires the super light of the body case installed on the car. So we also choose the pre-preg dry carbon made from autoclave, and also we have another choices as well, such as the wet carbon in vacuum. Here, and you can see the quality of the spoiler. Yes, the weaving, and also on the high polishing side, the surface, and also the double-sided tape. Yes. 弹错了，弹成这个东西了，几乎无力。Yeah, and so in the screen, and you can see the different products is the G-Wagon, but our product is for the Takan. I know that, and in this new store, because we do the wholesale, we do the customized order, we are the factory, and so, and you don't need to care about the screen products, and you can just have an idea of Jcsporline quality and fitment. Yes, and then if you have any suggestion or product inquiry, and you can chat with our service skill online. Okay, and this is the quality. Yes, the quality of the Takan spoiler. Before we made the installation of the spoilers on the car, and we need to do the we need to clean the car first. Yes, clean the car first. And with the alcohol, there is a special alcohol for cleaning the cars. But now I just have the clothes, yes. So just to make sure that if you want to make sure the fitment, and also it will be more durable, and you should find the alcohol and to clean the trunk. Okay, let's check. Just also 2 minutes. 2 minutes to install the spoiler on the car. Just swipe. Yes, just swipe. just swipe. 很绅士的去擦这个东西。And today I will just show the reference. So we don't use the screws. We don't use the other accessories. We just use the double-sided tape to check the reference, to check the jewelry installation. Yes. Here. Okay. From this side, and it's gorgeous. After the installation of the carbon body case, and the Takan looks more sporty. Yes. That's why, and also when enthusiastic car fanciers, they should choose the carbon parts. And it's very important for the carbon parts with the good installation and also the good quality. So that's Jcsporline can make for you. Okay, let's start the diffuser. The diffuser should have the high points, yes, high spot points, and made the very good decoration for the full body kit. So there is no spirit, there is no soul if you don't install the diffuser on the car. Yeah, very nice diffuser. This is the back side. Back side of the carbon, carbon weaving. It's obviously. Here. Very nice. Okay. Jcsporline made the carbon production for 15 years, and 6 years ago, we moved our factory from Guangdong province to Hubei province. And you can see that there is a 63,000 square meters of the production line. The the full building, the industry building is belong to Jcsporline. And so from here, and you can see the grounds, you can see the playground, yes, and also you can see the flags, and you can see the logo. I will show you later after we finish the installation. We'll show you to the production line of Jcsporline, and we'll show the warehouse, also to show the R&D department, and to show you how to make the products, how to make the products, and also how to control the quality, and how good the spirit, and also how good attitude for the working from Jcsporline workers. Yes, because usually for the diffuser, we should install with the screws and to do the fitment. Now we just give you a reference, so we just use the tape to show the affection, the looking, the final looking, and you can have the last glance of the parts. Okay.